Hi, I'm Reena, and I'm very excited to be a part of VSA. When I was a kid, I was 100% sure that I was going to grow up and become a teacher like my mother. When it was time for me to go to college, my father reminded me of my childhood passion for education. I went ahead and got a master's in economics instead from Pune University in India. Fast forward a few years of working in advertising and then teaching in the United States, I went back to school to get a master's in teaching and curriculum. I feel like I've come full circle in my passion for education. I grew up in a close knit Christian family in India. I was exposed to the gospel from my childhood, and by God's grace, I came to know the Lord at a young age. My parents are two of the simplest and strongest believers I know, and I'm extremely grateful for their example in my life. I'm also grateful for my husband who introduced me to the Reformed faith and who has been a godly leader in my life. Together, their influence has not only shaped my faith, it has also helped me recognize that I'm gifted in hospitality and that I'm called to teach. Why do I teach mathematics? Well, initially, I started teaching mathematics because it was a more suitable and more purposeful career for me than advertising. It was actually after 3 years of teaching mathematics that I even came across the idea of teaching from a classical biblical perspective. In that respect, I feel kind of late to the party here. However, as I grow in the Word, I see more and more connections between the principles of mathematics and the displays of precision, perfection, order, beauty in God's creation. Not just in the physical creation around us, but also in the spiritual regeneration within us. So, what we cover in a school year may be a minuscule part of the larger picture of mathematics. Yet, it has its values. Why? Because it derives its value from what it investigates and who it reveals.